scholars, and welcome to your PE lesson activity number 3. So in this lesson you learned about locomotor skills. I hope you remember the definition. Locomotor skills is a type of movement that allows you to move your body from one place to another. So remember, we used the example in the lesson if sitting down was a locomotor skill. Does sitting down get you from one point to another? No, so that is not a locomotor skill. So today we are going to practice the 7 or 8 locomotor skills that we went over in our lesson, which includes walking, running, jumping, hopping, leaping, galloping, skipping, and sliding. So we're gonna do those in a fun activity today. You're going to need 3 types of equipment. You're going to need your dry erase board. So if you guys have your whiteboard from your backpacks, or if you don't have that, you can go ahead and use a piece of paper and a pencil or pen. You're also going to need sock balls. You're going to need at least 6 sock balls in this activity. And you're also going to need a timer. You can use a timer from YouTube or on your phone or tablet. So let's go ahead and go over our activity. This activity is called locomotor relay. So for this activity, you are going to use your 6 sock balls. You're going to place them 15 feet away from where you are going to start. So let's go ahead and do that first. Go ahead and count 15 steps from where you are going to begin. And then go ahead and place your sock balls at the end of the 15 steps. Now that you've placed your socks, you can see mine right there. You are now going to use your whiteboard or your paper to write down each one of the locomotor skills. So you can see I have walking, running, jumping, hopping. I have all of them listed out. This is where you are going to write your times for each skill that you do. So once you have your time, make sure you have your timer ready. So the first locomotor skill that we are going to do is walk. So you are going to walk to your sock balls. You're going to grab 1 sock ball and bring it back. You're gonna go again, 2, walk, come back. You're gonna do this 6 times in total. Once you finish, once you get your last one, you're going to stop your timer. Then you're gonna go ahead and write down your time. Then you're gonna move on to the next locomotor skill. Next, you're gonna do running. So you're gonna get ready, you're gonna start your timer, you're gonna go run, grab 1 sock ball, come back, place it on the floor, go back again. So you're gonna do this 6 times for each one of the locomotor skills. Once you are done with the activity, I want you to compare your times with mine, and you will end up getting a full body workout after this activity as well, and practice all of your locomotor skills. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this activity. All right, I'm gonna start with walking. Next, we're gonna go ahead and run. Ready? Go. All right, the next one is jumping. Next, we're gonna go into hopping. Next activity is gonna be leaping. Ready? Go. Next one, we're gonna gallop. All right, the next one is skipping. Go. All right, and the last one is sliding. So I just completed the locomotor relay. I hope you guys are as tired as I am. I have sweat coming down my face already. I'm gonna show you the times that it took me to finish each one of the locomotor skills. So here they are. So here are the times that it took me to finish each one of the skills. So as you can see, walking took me 1 minute and 7 seconds. Running took me 34.12 seconds. Jumping, 1 minute and 29 seconds. Hopping, 1 minute and 18 seconds. Leaping was 57.48 seconds. Galloping, 53.32 seconds. Skipping, 57.46 seconds. And sliding was 1 minute and 2 seconds. If you notice, jumping was the locomotor skill that took me the longest to complete. I was actually really tired after doing that particular skill. So do you see any resemblance in the times? I noticed that my leaping and skipping times were pretty close to each other, right? And as well as the walking and the sliding as well. So go ahead and compare your times with my times. Let me know if maybe your times were better than mine, or if yours are a little bit slower, or let me know if you did this activity more than once. I hope you enjoyed this little mini locomotor workout. I will see you guys soon, and until next time.